Previously, the people of Somaliland celebrated their hard-won independence. For the first time, they stood as a free and sovereign nation. But their dream reached beyond borders, a united Somali people. With hope in their hearts, a delegation set out for Mogadishu.
We go not for ourselves, but for our people.
They journeyed toward a decision that would shape history. They arrived not as strangers, but as brothers returning home.
Today, history welcomes us.
The Somalia parliament listened carefully.
We come with unity in our hearts.
Independence had already been achieved in the north.
You are already independent. Are you certain you wish to unite?
The question of power was placed on the table.
Do you seek the presidency or equal power? We seek neither power nor position, only unity.
The 5 points of the star symbolized a dream to unite all Somali territories.
Our flag carries the dream of all Somalis.
On July 1st, 1960, two nations, Somaliland and Somalia, became one as Somali Republic. Unity had been declared, equality had not.
Our voices seem smaller in this chamber.
Doubt began to replace celebration.
Was this the future we imagined?
Democracy ended in a single night.
The government has fallen. Power now belongs to the military.
From unity, a Somali national movement was born.
If unity brings oppression, then resistance becomes duty.
The dream was not dead, but it was no longer whole. Unity was only the beginning. Repression followed, and the people of Somaliland would face a new struggle. The dream was tested, the struggle begins.